Pastor.
Hi. Get for them.
Ate, kayo na lang po kaya kumuha. Some are still taking a bath. Kayo na lang po kaya kumuha.
Nobody's here?
Actually, they're still taking a bath.
Oh, yes. How many in this room?
Ate, ilan po kayo?
One. Maybe you can take it and put it in the fridge. You can maybe have it later. Who's in the house?
Yes. We already, we are adapted to Korean style.
Oh, 아저씨, 아이스크림 타임. 아이스크림.
Wow, I see. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Pastor. Oh, only one?
Oh, no. How many?
Lahat po tayo.
5.
5.
So put it in the fridge.
Okay. I will just.
Before you come to lunch, you have to pack everything
Yeah.
and clean everything.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah. 5.
5, 10.
Thanks a lot.
Okay.
God bless you all the more po.
Take a blanket. Do you guys take one?
It's okay, Pastor. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, there's still some people out there.
We're gonna put it.
Okay. Free ice cream delivery. Chanon.
Their own ice cream. 방에서 가져간 것도 있으니까.
Yes, right. Thank you so much. God bless you all the more. Oh. Ice cream.
Di ka nakakain, sis?
Ay, sige po. Eat well.
Parang bigyan ko sila.
Opo. Samanim, you want ice cream? I'll get for you. What flavor do you want? There's is this mango? Watermelon, what?
Watermelon.
Ano po gusto niyo, Samanim?
Chocolate.
Chocolate pambata lang daw eh. Only for kid. Ang bait nila sila pastor tayong nag-deliver.